Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, invalid profile with error code E47B, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Now you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click onto gaming services repair tool, and then click start preparing here. And now it will diagnose your issue and it will try to fix it on its own. Once that's done, click close on here, sign out from the Xbox app, and then close the Xbox app. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go to your C drive, Xbox games, game save, and then PGS. And now you're going to have a folder with a name like this. These are your save files. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click onto this folder, click onto rename, add anything like underscore test on here. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to minimize the Xbox app. You're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.